thing, married couples. I know because we don't normally talk about this when we talk about marriage. Stop underestimating the role that physical intimacy plays in a marriage.
Yes, sir.
But maybe you don't understand what physical intimacy is. Stop underestimating the role that sex plays in a marriage. Do you know I went to a city and I asked those who were there, I said, how many of you by a show of hands know that the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan wrote an article that appeared in the Final Call newspaper titled The Purpose of Sex and Marriage, and nobody raised their hands? Think about that. The man of God wrote an article talking about that, and nobody knew, and they had been in the nation for over 10 years.
Yes, sir.
So here's an excerpt from what the minister says.
Yes, sir.
He says, the institution of marriage allows for the lawful sexual union between male and female in the eyes of Allah, God, and society. Since both male and female should dedicate their lives to the will of Allah and the great struggle in the journey of meeting with Allah and the great struggle in the union of two, then the pleasure derived from sex is divinely given. Saying that this is what Allah has given husband and wife as a divine gift. He says it's divinely given to enhance the union. He's saying that sex between a husband and a wife who love each other and striving to do Allah's will, it enhances the union.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He says, as well as recharge the electrical energy of the male and the female, that they might continue the great journey and struggle of life. So, Brother Calvin and Sister Calvin, people feel like they're not recharged. He said these two properly motivated allows sexual union to be life-giving, to be a life-giving experience, not only for procreation and continuance of the life of the species, but it is invigorating as well as life-giving to the marriage and the struggle of these two to become one. That's